All right, let's reiterate what I wanted you to do for this challenge. So we wanted to modify our function so that instead of just creating a tag and a text, it can also attach the correct attributes like class, if the user wanted a class of math, an ID of test ID, and an author attribute of Phil. How can we take all of this and add it to the attribute of my tag? Well, let's do it in the middle here, because we still have to create the element, append the text, and then append that whole element. So in here, this is an object. How do we loop to an object? For in loop. For const key in attributes object. Now, as we're looping, what are we doing? We select this tag. Okay, then we're going to use the set attribute method. Set attribute, the first argument is the name of your key. That's just the key. Second argument is the value of each of these keys, like test ID or math. How can we get the value from an object? Well, you might or may not know, you have to select the object first, then you do bracket notation, and then the name of the key. In this case, key. So it's looping, and it's setting all the correct attributes. This is all we need, and then it appends it to the body. There you go, it works. Now, if I inspect this, let's look at the element. You see that it actually has a class of math, the correct ID, and the author of Phil. So just by adding one line with a for in loop, we expanded our function. Now it's a lot more flexible, right? And it takes in more arguments, which makes it better actually. Cool, huh? I hope this was helpful. You can try to create your own function as well. It doesn't have to be an object either. You can use an array if you want to. Okay, let's move on.